In this video, I'll show you how to replace the battery in a Volvo S60 key fob. All you'll need to get it done is a regular flathead screwdriver and one CR2032 battery. If you'd like to get one of these batteries online, I've left a link down in the description. That first link down there will take you over to Amazon where you can find these for a great price. So first step here is just to flip out the internal key, and we'll be popping off this kind of oval of plastic here. You can see inside there is the space where the key was, and there's a hole right in here. You can go in a little bit deeper, that space right there. And you can see the light reflecting off of it. There's a little piece of plastic in there that we're just going to push up. So you just go in, you find it, and you push, and now you can see that this is starting to come off a little bit. It's not going to come off completely, but just push. And now that this is loose, just take your flathead and kind of put the corner down into that space, and you'll be able to pry the back off of there. Alternatively, if you have a precision screwdriver, there's a space right here. You can just do this, which is a little bit easier. Now inside of here, we have the battery that is just going to fall out. You can just kind of knock it out of there. And when you're putting in your new battery, CR2032, make sure that the positive side that has the plus sign on it is facing up. And you'll just kind of drop it in there. It doesn't click into place. It just kind of sits in there. As long as it's flat, you are good to go. And you can just put this right on top and squeeze. That's all it takes. Should be good to go for a long time now with that new battery in there. So I hope you liked this video, and if it helped you out, feel free to give us a like or let me know down in the comment section. And if you ever need help with another one of your keys, you can come back here to this channel and we'll have you covered with a video just like this one. You can also get all this information and more over at our website, FobBattery.com.